You can play solitaire games with your tarot decks, and this version is based on a game called Aces Up. With tarot, you're going to lay out 5 cards. So 1 for the majors and then 1 for each suit. And the goal is to get down to the Fool and the Aces. And that's all you have left. So let me show you how you play it. So you're going by suits, and in this case, we're gonna kind of consider the major arcana a suit. So here we've got 2 cups, and because aces are low in tarot, we're going to take away the higher card. We have a 6 of cups and an 8 of cups, so that one leaves gameplay. Now the rest of this, we don't have any duplicates, so we put out 5 more cards. And each time, it doesn't matter if you've emptied a stack, you have to put a card there anyway. And it doesn't matter if you didn't empty a stack, you have to put a card there anyway. Okay, so now we have 2 majors. We have to remove the one that is higher. Remember, we're trying to whittle it down to be the Fool. So we have to remove the Sun. Here we have 2 more cups, and we've removed the 6, and now we've got an empty spot, so we can move one of these cards that's laying on top of another one. I know there's a major underneath there, so I'm going to move this one over, and then we'll take again the higher one, so the star is removed and we've got an empty slot again. You are allowed to look, so we've got a wand under there, which wouldn't be that helpful in removing these extra cards because I don't have any other wands. We've got a swords there. Okay, maybe let's do this. I'll move the cup over there because then it opens up a chance to get rid of one of these swords. The king is a higher card, so we remove it. And now we're down to, again, 1 of each suit. So we've got a major, cup, wand, swords, and pentacles. And so we lay out our next 5 cards and we continue. So here I've got some decisions to make. I've got an empty slot here and I've got a lot going on. I want to get this Ace of Cups down, but I think if I move this one over, I'm going to move that ace to get that at the bottom of the pile, which allows for this to get rid of that 4 of Swords. And then I have to decide, I think I'll move the Magician over here to release this. Otherwise it's just a wands underneath and then I'm stuck. So I'm going to try to get rid of as much as I can. And this is just going to be tricky. I've got a very low swords card sitting on top of my Fool, so we'll see. I have the feeling I'm not going to win this one. And like many solitaire games, you're not going to win it. It's to me, it's very rare when I actually win one of these, but it's just something fun to do, and it gives me a chance to look at my cards, get to know them a little bit better, see them in action a little bit better. And oh my gosh, I'm really getting lucky here. And it's just something fun to do. It's something that I've been using to stay off my phone, to be honest. That last hand is going to be just 3 cards down. You can decide what you want to do if you don't play them, or I like to just play them, and it just means I only get to put 3 down. And this is probably as close as oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is about as close as I've ever gotten to winning. That's kind of amazing, but I can't win, right? I've got my aces down, I've got my Fool down, and had this been in any other position, I would have won it. So that's about as close as you get. Let me know if you decide to play.